Welcome to my channel, Brain Boosters. Please like, share, and subscribe. Most expensive items from around the world. In its pursuit of wealth and elegance, humanity has always been fascinated by the allure of the most flamboyant and exclusive possessions. The list of the most expensive items in the world is remarkable and includes everything from artwork and automobile to jewelry and mansions. Here are 10 of the most expensive items from around the world. History Supreme Yacht, $4.5 billion. The History Supreme Yacht, designed for over 3 years, stands out for its luxurious features. Notable features of this yacht include gold and platinum structural fittings, extending from the base to the dining area, and even the anchor. Although there are reports that Malaysian millionaire Robert Kwok is the owner, the yacht stands out among luxury boats because of its grandeur rather than its size. Antilia, $2 billion. Antilia is a 27-story residential skyscraper located in Mumbai, India. Completed in 2010, it stands as one of the most expensive private residences globally. Owned by billionaire Mukesh Ambani, with a net worth of $84.2 billion. The building is known for its distinctive design and opulent features, including 3 helipads, -1 elevators, a snow room, air traffic control, 168 vehicles parking space, and a 50-seat home theater. Antilia has become an iconic symbol of wealth and luxury in Mumbai's landscape. Villa Leopolda, $506 million. Villa Leopolda is a historic home on the renowned French Riviera that was owned by King Leopold II of Belgium 1835-1909. Over the years, it has witnessed a diverse history, including serving as a military hospital during World War I, famous for its architectural heritage. The Villa Leopolda has appeared in numerous well-known movies, such as To Catch a Thief 1955 and The Red Shoes 1948. Salvator Mundi painting, $450.3 million. Salvator Mundi is a famous painting by Leonardo da Vinci created around 1500. It depicts Jesus Christ as Savior of the world. The artwork went through various owners, disappearing and resurfacing over the years. In 2017, it made headlines by selling for a record $450.3 million at a Christie's auction. The sale led to a legal dispute between the buyer, Russian oligarch Dmitry Rybolovlev, and the previous owner, Yves Bouvier, over alleged overcharging for the painting and other artworks. The Card Players painting, $250 million. The Card Players is a series of oil paintings by French post-impressionist artist Paul Cézanne. Created during the early 1890s, the series consists of multiple depictions of peasants engaged in playing cards. In 2011, Qatar's royal family acquired what is believed to be the final piece of the Card Players series painted by Paul Cézanne. They paid Greek shipping magnate George Imberikos an astounding sum of $250 million for the privilege of owning this artwork. This acquisition by the Qatari royals added a new chapter to the history of the Card Players, solidifying its status not only as a masterpiece by Cézanne but also as a valuable and sought-after piece in the world of art. Jeff Bezos' Beverly Hills house, $165 million. Jeff Bezos' Beverly Hills estate, acquired for $165 million from David Geffen, encompasses a lavish 10-acre expanse. The estate includes 2 guest homes, a nursery, 3 hothouses, and a 13,600-square-foot Georgian-style main house. The estate offers a luxurious retreat with extra features like a tennis court, a swimming pool, large terraces, and a 9-hole golf course. The lavish amenities and features of Bezos' highly valued Beverly Hills home are showcased by the large automobile court, which has its own service garage and gas pumps. Portrait of Adele Bloch-Bauer eye painting, $135 million. Portrait of Adele Bloch-Bauer eye, a masterpiece by Gustav Klimt, painted in 1907, holds a rich history. Notable for its elaborate ornamentation and use of gold leaf, the painting portrays Viennese socialite Adele Bloch-Bauer after being taken by the Nazis during World War II. The artwork was the center of a court dispute that ended with the Bloch-Bauer family regaining it in 2006, Art enthusiast Ronald Lauder acquired the painting for $135 million and curated its display at the Nui Gallery in New York City. This acquisition marked a significant chapter in the painting's journey, now serving as a symbol of art, restitution, and cultural heritage. 1960 to Ferrari GTO, $48.4 million. The 1960 to Ferrari 250 GTO, a sports car produced between 1962 and 1964, is known for its limited production of 39 units and designed by Sergio Scaglietti. Designed for competition in the FIS Group 3 Grand Touring Car category, this model features a V12 engine and has secured its place in automotive history through racing success. In 2018, the 1960 to Ferrari 250 GTO was auctioned at Sotheby's in Monterey, fetching $48.4 million from an undisclosed buyer. This transaction solidified its standing as one of the most coveted classic cars in the world. The Graff Hallucination watch, $55 million. The 110-carat diamond limited edition Hallucination, designed by renowned luxury jewelry and watchmaker Graff Diamonds, showcases a vivid and colorful array of rare and extraordinarily large diamonds, including fancy pink, fancy yellow, fancy green, and fancy blue, set in a mosaic pattern on the watch dial. Thanks for watching. Didn't forget to